Welcome in Arabic Kids Club channel.
Today we will learn about الأعداد, the numbers. عدد, number. Now try to write. Open your copybook. Start from right side. واحد, one. واحد. What's after واحد? اثنان. Right on the line. Two. اثنان. ثلاثة. Start from right side. Three. ثلاثة. Three. What's after ثلاثة? أربعة. We write all the letters on the line except را. We write را like a slide under the line. أربعة. Four. خمسة. Start from right side. And all the letters on the line. خمسة. Five. هيا عود. Let's count. واحد. اثنان. ثلاثة. أربعة. خمسة. Print out the worksheet in the description and don't forget, if you like the video, subscribe, like and share.
مع السلامة.